Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily change your phone number on the Glovo Courier app. So all you have to do is head over to the Glovo app. Then next is log into your account. Then in the top left corner of your screen, you should be able to see your profile icon. Just click on it. The account window will then pop up and all you have to do is click on My Information. And from here, you can easily see change phone number. Just click on it. And from here, all you have to do is enter your phone number and an SMS with a code will then be sent on your phone number. And all you have to do is use the code to verify your newly added phone number. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!